Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This lesson is the seventh lesson, and we're going to be discussing the points that were mentioned in the English key. So let's go through it, and anything that needs discussing, inshallah, we will do so. So ad-darsu sabi' means the seventh lesson. Man hadihi? Who is this? And hadihi, obviously referring to a female, as we've just discussed before. Hadihi aminatu. This is Amina. Woman tilka, and who is that female? So tilka for a female. If it was a male, woman dhalika, who is that male. But here woman tilka, who is that female? Tilka Fatimatu, that female is Fatima. هذه طبيبة وتلك ممرضة. This one, the one who's close by, she is a doctor, and that one is a nurse. هذه من الهند وتلك من اليابان. This woman is from Hind and that one is from Japan. هذه طويلة وتلك قصيرة. This one is tall and that one is short. من هذا? Who is this? هذا حامد ومن ذلك? Who is that? ذلك علي. So هذا and ذلك. هذا for someone who's close, إشارة قريب, and ذلك إشارة بعيد. أتلك دجاجة? Is that a hen? لا. تلك بطة. No, that is a duck. ما تلك؟ تلك بيضة. What is that? That is an egg. هذه سيارة المدرس وتلك سيارة المدير. This is the teacher's car and that is the principal's car. So here we have an example of مضاف and مضاف إليه. سيارة المدرس means the car of the teacher, meaning the teacher's car. And سيارة المدير, the principal's car. مدرسي and مديري, both of them will have a kasra because they are مضاف إليه, meaning they are the possessed objects. أساعة عباس هذه? Is this Abbas's watch? So again we have ساعة عباس, which is مضاف and مضاف إليه, and it is Hamzatul Istifham. That means it's a question mark, it's a question. Is this, is هذه means this, and indicates that it's a question. So is this Abbas's watch? لا. هذه ساعة حامد. Again مضاف and مضاف إليه. حامد has a kasra because it's مضاف إليه. No, this is Hamid's watch. تلك ساعة عباس. That is Abbas's watch. ذلك ديك وتلك دجاجة. That is a rooster and that is a hen. So both of them for ba'id. Now deek, obviously this is a rooster, male, so therefore ذلك is being used, and tilka, because dajajatun it's a female, therefore tilka is being used. That is a rooster and that is a hen. تمارين. اقرأ واكتب, read and write. هذه مدرسة وتلك جامعة. And as I've suggested before, the exercises, you should try to do them yourself first and then come back and check whether you got them right or not. This is a school and that is a university. ذلك حمار وتلك بقرة. That is a donkey and that is a cow. Again, differentiating between masculine and feminine, because that has a ta marbut at the end, so that is obviously feminine. أذلك مسجد? Is that a masjid? لا. تلك مدرسة. No, that is a school. ذلك مسجد. So because masjidun is masculine, ذلك was used, but in response, because the thing is feminine, tilka is used. هذا جمل وتلك ناقة. This is a male camel and that is a she camel. هذه مدرسة وتلك طالبة. This is, sorry, this should be مدرسة. This is a teacher, a female teacher, and that is a student, a female student. So هذه and tilka, both for female, one for قريب, one for بعيد, one for near, one for far. هذا كلب وذلك قط. This is a dog and that is a cat. هذا بيت المؤذن وتلك حديقة التاجر. This is the muadzin's house. Muazzin meaning the one who calls the adhan. And that is the trader's garden. So you see, this is mudaf and mudaf ilay. So mu'adhini, it has a kasra because it's mudaf ilay. And at-tajir, it's also supposed to have a kasra because it is mudaf ilay.